Hey everyone, Nat here with Nobi Finance. Today we're gonna go through how to trade options using the Thinkorswim app by TDAmeritrade. Notice there's two separate apps here. One is called Thinkorswim and one is called TDAmeritrade. You want to get the one that's called Thinkorswim, which has the full options trading tools inside. The regular app is just for account management functions. You just want to get the Thinkorswim one. So to get started, let's open up the app. This is Android 11 running Android 11 on a Motorola G stylus. So if you don't have a TD account, go ahead and sign up. They allow you to do paper trading, which is really nice, so you can practice before going live. And you can easily switch between paper and live trading account by clicking on the all accounts up here. If you don't have a paper money account, you can sign up for free, or if you don't have a TDAmeritrade account. If you do already have a TDAmeritrade account, then you automatically get a free paper money account with that. If not, then you can sign up for free. Just on the paper money side, just put Thinkorswim paper money into Google. It will take you to this link here. I'll also link it below. And then you just answer some questions. You would say no to the question, do you have an existing TD account? And you fill out some information and some trading experience, and then hit submit. And that will create your paper trading account, which you can use to log in to the Thinkorswim app. Okay, so this is the Android version. It's pretty much the same functionality, but looks and feels a little different than the iOS ones. For the Android one, the main menu is up here along the top left. For the iOS one, is along the bottom down here. So that's really the key difference. Everything else is pretty much the same. So to open the menu, just click that three lines on the upper left hand corner. And then first things first, I want to customize a few things. Go to settings, then to color theme down here. It originally defaults to dark, but I like to switch it to the light one. It's up to you on whether you want to do that. I just prefer the light one. And also uncheck the send usage data. I just always make a habit to never send any app data to the companies. And then the other thing I want to customize is how your positions is grouped. So you're going to click on the menu and then click on positions. And then right here, there's this little wheel thing for settings. You click on that, and then there's the columns. You can customize which column you want to see and move them around, up and down. For options trading, the delta is very important. The other stuff you can turn on or off as you see fit. But for now, this is good enough for us. But the more important thing I want to show you is how the view. Then you want to tick on the orders, arranged by orders. So this basically allows you to arrange options trades by the type of trade they are. For example, like a butterfly, it will group the three legs of the butterfly together. Credit spreads and calendars, same thing. This is really useful to see if your strategy is separated out by orders. Otherwise, if you didn't tick on this, it'll be really hard to see all your positions. So this will make more sense once we actually have positions. So for now, let's just turn that on and then go back to the home screen. To access the charts, all you gotta do is go to either you can search for it under here, or you can go to your watch list and click on the symbol. It'll take you to the charts right here. The charting, you can add studies, do like Bollinger's. You Okay, go ahead and search. Just like that. And to bring this up, you just click anywhere in the chart. Grid lines. And this one you can see if you had position, it will show up on the charts as well. So the studies, the drawings, then any position. So if we had a position in Tesla, it will show up here as well, like a working order too. Let's quickly look at the options chain to explain it a little bit more. So let's go to our watch list and just look at the SPX chain. Okay, this is the trading screen. Let's go over everything on the screen. You got your symbol up here, this is the description, the current market price, and then sell and buy buttons here if you wanted to sell. In this case, SPX, you cannot sell or buy the actual index. See, it cannot be traded. If you had like Apple or something, then you can buy the stock by clicking these buttons here. News button on the particular stock. And then, of course, the most important one is the options tab. Along the top, you have some information about the option. Intrinsic value, percentage, and VWAP, and then right here, these three, the most important one here is the strike and the spread. So the spread one, I always leave it on custom. You can change it to these preset ones, but I leave it on custom because custom allows you to create spread orders really easily, or even just single orders. You can do that all in custom, and it's very quick and much faster than these other ones here. So always leave it in custom for the fastest possible trading experience. And then the strikes here is to change how many strikes you see at one time. So this case is at 25. So you see on both sides around 25 strikes away from where it's at now. So you can change it. I leave it around 25 to 50, but you can change it to whatever you want to see. And then down here, you got your calls on this side, your puts on this side. This gear icon is to change the columns, these columns. So on the call side, last, bid, ask, and then to see more, you scroll to the right using your finger. There you go. You see the delta is on the right. So to see that, you scroll to the left. Actually, they'll show the delta. This is your strike in the middle here. So 39.60, 39.65. This dotted line is where the current price is at 40.17. So in between the 40.20 and 40.25. Oh, excuse me. Actually, this is kind of delayed, so it really should be like right here between 4.15 and 40.20. So these quotes down here are delayed, but this is the actual market, like live price. Then you got your puts on this side, the same columns. To customize the columns, you can just click on the gear icon to see more, add more as you see fit. But for me, bid, ask, and delta are the most important ones, and last price as well.